All right, welcome back. Let us continue from where we ended. All right, we ended over here. Okay, and this is what you have. Now, basing on this, I guess you can try this question. Write this measurement in order from smallest to largest. So you can try this question here. You can try this question. Try it and try that and let me know if you are getting stuck. Otherwise, let us proceed. Okay, we stopped over here. Let me check. Right, so I said try that question. Then let us proceed with this question. All right, we have this question here. The cards show the heights of 6 plants, and the question is, we have these cards show the heights of 6 plants. We have a card with 86 centimeters, 132 centimeters, 1 meter 6 centimeters, 1.6 meter, 1 meter 20 centimeters. Then we have 1.15 meters. Okay, what is the question? Arrange the heights. You have to arrange the heights in the order of size, starting with the tallest or starting with the largest. Okay, this time we start with the largest. Okay, 2 cards have been done for you. All right, we are done with 130. This card is done. 1.15 meter. This card is done. Okay, now what is the tallest and what is the shortest? Okay, what we do is we have this is centimeter, and this is 1 meter 6 centimeters, and this is 1.6 meter, and this is 1 meter 20 centimeters. So what we are going to do is let me check, is to definitely change this 86 centimeters. We have to change 86 centimeters into meters. Yeah, because we have plenty of numbers are in meters. Okay, we have plenty of numbers are in meters, so we can change 86 centimeter into meters. So change 86 meters. Change 86 centimeters into meters. How do we do that? We go to King Henry Delta, that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Now, how about 86? How about 86 centimeters will be equal to how much? Okay, when you cross multiply, the work is easy. When you cross multiply, the work is easy. What we do 86 times 1, 86 times 1, then divide by 100. Can you see that? So we do 86 times 1 divided by 100. 86 times 1 divided by 100. What is 86 times 1? The answer is 86. Divided by 100, this will be, we have 2 zeros, and this you count 2 numbers from here, 1, 2. You keep 0 point. So the answer here will be 0.86 meter. Okay, 132 centimeters, this is done. All right, and we have 1.15 is done. So what is remaining is this one. So this we know 0.86 meters, but this will remain the same. It's 1 meter 6 centimeters. Okay, but this one is 1.6 meter. You can't tell 1.6 meter because this is a decimal. Okay, so now how do we do that? With this, there is a trick you have to do. There is a trick you have to do. Let me show you here. When it is 1.6 meter, you break down this. The whole number will be 1 meter plus a decimal point. The decimal point will be 0.6 meter. Can you see that 1 plus 0.6 equals to 1.6? Now 1 meter will remain the same, but the 0.6 meter is what we change into centimeters. So we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. How about 0.6 meter? This will be equal to what? Cross multiply. So this will be equal to 0.6 times 100 divided by 1. Okay, now how do we multiply this? This will be 0.6 times 100 is put the digits next to each other. There is one decimal place, so count one number from the right. This will be a decimal point over here, so this will be 60 centimeters. So that means 1.6 meter is the same as 1 meter. Is the same as 1 meter and 60 centimeters. Can you see that? So 1.6 meters is the same as 1 meter, 60 centimeters. Now, this one is done, so we don't have to do this, and we don't have to do this. So here you have 0.86 meter. Here we have you have 1 meter 6 centimeters, and here you have 1 meter 66 centimeters, and here you have 1 meter 20 centimeters. Now look at this. Look at this. Which one is the longest, or which one is the tallest? Okay, the one which is tallest, let us check. This is 0.86 meter. Look at this. This is 1 meter 6 centimeters, but this is 1 meter 60 centimeters, and this is 1 meter 20 centimeters. So the longest is 1 meter 60 centimeters, which is this. This is the longest, or this is the tallest. So here the tallest is 1 meter 60 centimeters, but we don't write that. We write 1.6 meter, but the tallest. Then the next tallest is done for you. Then after this 1 meter 60 centimeters, which is the next tallest. The next tallest is this is 1 meter 60 centimeters. The tallest will be 1 meter. The next tallest will be 1 meter 20 centimeters. 1 meter 20 centimeters. So we write 1 meter 20 centimeters. Then this is done for you. Okay, so this is done. 1 meter 20 centimeters, 1 meter 60 centimeters, and then the next one will be 1 meter 6 centimeters. So here you write 1 meter 60 centimeters, and automatically the shortest will be 0.86 meter, which of course is 86 centimeters. So you see that? I hope that helps. Then let us move on. You can pause the video and do some working. Do working over here. Alright, pause the video. Then the next one is this question here. We have this question here. Decide if these statements are true or false. Tick the correct box. Remember what I said? You can't compare kilograms and grams. Here you have to make sure that you have same units. If you have different units, you can't judge which one is equal to the other, or which one is not equal to the other, or which one is less than the other, or which one is greater than the other. So you can't judge. So this time I prefer changing bigger units into smaller units. Now kilogram is bigger than gram, so let me change kilogram into gram. So we know that 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. Now how about 2.3? How about 2.3 kilogram will be equal to how much? So cross multiply. You do 2.3 multiplied by 1000. You do 2.3 multiplied by, okay, you do 2.3 multiplied by 1000. 2.3 multiplied by 1000 divided by 1. This will be put digits next to each other. And this is one decimal place, so you count one number. This will be 230.0. So you can cancel that. Now the question is 2.3 kilograms, I got 230. I got 230. This is gram. Now is 230 not equal to 23,000 gram? It's 230 not equal to 2,000. Is 230 not equal to 23,000? The answer is true. These two numbers are not equal. The answer is true. Okay, how about this one? We have milliliters and we have liters. Now we have to change liters into milliliters. How? 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. So if 1 liter has 1000 milliliters, how about 0.3 liters? Let me repeat the arrangement over here. We know for sure that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. How about 0.3 liters will be equal to how much? You multiply 0.3 plus multiply 0.3 multiplied by 1000. This will be 0.3000. One decimal place, you have 300. Now 0.3 liters is equivalent to 300 milliliters. Is that less than 150? Is this less than 150 milliliters? Let us see. 150 milliliters. Is it less than 300 milliliters? The answer is 150 is less than 300 milliliters. Okay, so this is true. How about 500 millimeters and 5 meters? So what we do, change meters into millimeters. We know that 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeters. How about 5 meters? How about 5 meters? So cross multiply, it will be 5 times 1000, and this will be 5 times 1000 will be 5000. Now can you see this? This suggests 5000 millimeters is greater than 5000 millimeters, because 5 meter equals to 5000. So is this number greater than this number? No, these numbers are equal. So the answer is false. I hope that helps. We have this question here. We have this question over here. Oh wow, around 23.649 to 1 decimal place. This you can try that. I already explained to you. What is the value of 3? Oh, the value of 3. What is the value of 3 in this number? What is the value of 3? Value of 3. This is your 3. Now let us see the value of 3. Ones or units. Tenths. So the value of 3 is, so here you write the value of 3 is 3 tenths. See that? This is the answer. Don't write tenths. Tenth is the place value. When they are asking for the place value, when they are asking for the place value of 3, the answer is tenth. But when they ask just value of 3, so you should write 3 tenths. 1 tenth. This is the answer. If you write tenths, this is incorrect. Value, this is incorrect. Tenths is place value. Place value. But here, they are not asking for the place value. They are asking for the value of 3. So you write 3 tenths. You write the number itself. You write the number followed by its place value. I hope that is clear. Let's go to next page. Okay, the next page is this one. Round this number correct to the nearest whole number. Nearest whole number. Nearest whole number means 0 decimal place. Means 0 decimal place. So if I need to remain with 0 decimal place using a calculator, what I do, I take my calculator, I type my number 203.497. Now I hit is equal to. Before that I did not clear the calculator. I have to clear the calculator. Let me clear the calculator. Before any calculation, you have to clear the calculator. So the calculator is cleared. So write 203.497. Okay, 497. Then hit is equal to. Can you see that the calculator is still showing the same number? Now, when they say nearest whole number, they mean 0 decimal place. So you come back here, you use fix. You use fix option. Choose option 6. And they need nearest whole number. So you press 0 because they don't need decimal place. So you press 0 button. Can you see that the answer is 203? So here you write 203. This is 0 decimal place. Now, what if you don't have a calculator? What you do, you write the number 203.497, and then they need nearest whole number, so they don't need a decimal point. So what do? You stand here in 3, check to the right, there is a 4. 4 is not bigger than 5, so you will be adding 0 over here. This will be 302. Now how about this 497? They don't become 0. We ignore these numbers. So the answer is 203. 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places, you can try that, but you can use a calculator to do that. But 2 decimal places means you write the number 203.497. They need 2 decimal places, so 1, 2, keep a boundary over here. Alright, I can see something logical here. Let me do this question very nicely. Let me show the working over here. Alright, they need this number 203.497. No, this space is too small. Let me do it here. 203.497. They need 2 decimal places. So you put a border over here because this is where 2 decimal places are. Check on your right. Can you see a 7? Now a 7 is bigger than 5. So add 1 here. Now remember what I said? 9 plus 1. Don't write 10. We write 9 plus 1. We write 0 carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Keep a decimal point. This is 3. This is 0. Decimal places. Ignore this remaining number. Ignore that. And the answer is 203.50. See that? Now, so many students here will confuse themselves that the teacher said the theory after the decimal point, you can cancel this 0. Please don't cancel that 0, because that 0 is the one which makes this answer to have 2 decimal places. If you cancel that 0, if you cancel this 0, you are going to remain with 203.5. But this answer is only 1 decimal place, but they need 2 decimal places. That is why we don't cancel that 0. Leave that 0 there. Leave that 0 in place. Leave that 0 over here. And this will be the answer. And you can even use a calculator to check if your answer is correct. See that? Shift, clear your calculator. Okay. You can use a calculator to do that. You can use a calculator to do that. 203.497. It is equal to, this is the number. Now you fix that number to 2 decimal places. Fix this number to 2 decimal places. You see? The calculator is showing you with a 0, so don't take out a 0. This is 203.50. Can you see that? This is the correct answer. Alright, now give your answer to part A. Give your answer to part A. First, let us write the answer for part A. Part A, we got the answer 203. This is the answer for part A. Now give your answer to part A to 2 significant figures. Now you may be wondering, how many significant figures are here? Now some people can say there are 2 significant figures. Why? The teacher said 0 is not a significant figure. No. 0 is a significant figure because it is between 2 and 3. It is between 2 non-zero digits. So this 0 will be counted as a significant figure. Okay. Now, if that is the case, can we write, if this is the case, can we write this number 203 correct to 2 significant figures? Yes, we can do that because this number has 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. They need 2 significant figures. So you stand here, keep a border over here, check on your right, there is a 3. 3 is not bigger than 5. So you add 0. What do you get? You get 0, you get 2. Now the remaining digits, this remaining digit become 0. Now remember, this answer is a whole number. So for the case of a whole number, and we are talking about significant figures, don't cancel these zeros. If you cancel, you get 2. This is a wrong answer. So never take out the zeros. So the answer is 200. Thank you very much. And so for today, all right, now let us proceed. Let us try to carry on. All right, we have this question over here. We have this question here. A newspaper says that there are, let us read this question. A newspaper, all right, a newspaper says that there are 74,000 horses in a country. The number, this number 74,000 is the actual number of horses rounded to, or this number has been rounded to the nearest thousand. Now put a ring around the numbers that could be the actual number of holes. Okay, now let us round this number. Let us round this number. Let us round this number and see if you round this number correct to nearest thousand. See if you'll be getting the answer 74,000. Let us start with this number. Can we round this number to nearest thousand and see if we will get 74,000? If we get 74,000, put that number in a ring. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Check to your right, there is a 5. When you add 1 here, you get 75. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you are not getting 74. So this is not. Okay, round this number to nearest thousand and see which number gives you 74,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Check on your right, there is a 4. A 4 is not bigger than 5. Add 0 over here, you get 74. Then these 4, 7, 5, they become zeros. Can you see that I'm getting 74,000? So this number, when you round this number to nearest thousand, you'll get 74. How about this number? This is already 75,000, so this is not possible. Okay, how about this? Stand over here, because ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, stand over here. This will be 4. Add 0. This is not possible. Also, this 73,000, round off. We get 74,000, not possible. This is 7,000, not possible. How about this? Let us check this. If I round this number, correct to nearest thousand, do I get the answer 74,000? Do I get the answer 74,000? Let's check. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Check on your right, there is 6. 6 is bigger than 5. So add 1 here, this will be 4. This will be 7. 6 to 7 will become zeros. Yeah, I'm getting 74. So this answer, this number here should be put in a ring. Okay? I hope that helps. Then let us move on. Okay. Alright, we have this page now. Work out 38 minus 7 divided by 2.5. Give your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay. This, you have numerator, we have denominator. So what we do, we separate. First do numerator. 38 minus 7. What is 38 minus 7? The answer is 31. Okay, denominator. Okay, denominator is 2 plus 5. What is 2 plus 5? Then say 7. Then do numerator divide by denominator. This will be numerator, we got 41. Denominator, we got 7. Now give your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so you do long division method. 31 divided by 7. 3 divided by 7 is not possible. 31 divided by 7. So here they need 2 decimal places. So we have to divide, and there we stop with 3 decimal places. Then we round off. So 31 divided by 7, this is 4. 28 minus the remainder is 3. The remainder is 3. Okay, put a decimal point here. That becomes 30. Put 4. This becomes 28. Subtract. This becomes 2. Then that becomes 20. They need 2 decimal places. Now you have to stop when you get 3 decimal places. Now, until now, I have only 2 decimal places. So 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract here, this is 6. At 0, 6 divided by 7, this will be by 8. 8 times 7 is 56. We check. There's no hurry. It's not hurry. 8 times 7 is 56. Yes. Okay, shift 8 yeah, it's 56. Okay. And if I do 9, that will be 63. Okay, so here comes 8 times 7, 56. Now, this goes to continuously. This goes to infinity. Now, since the instruction says leave your answer to 2 decimal places, and I've got my 3 decimal places, so there I stop. There I stop. So the answer. Let me pick these 3 decimal. Put them 4.428. They need 2 decimal places. So you keep a bundle over here. Check on your right. There is 8. So you'll be adding 1 here. This will be 3. 4 point. So the answer is 4.43. So don't write 0 here because they need only 2 decimal places. When you put 0, you will be getting 3 decimal places. So this number, you ignore it. Alright, so the answer, give your answer to 2 decimal places. So the answer is 4.43. Alright, until next time, I'll be back. Bye bye for now, and stay tuned. Bye.